Hey guys, welcome back to Homes on Wheels. Looks like y'all were waiting on me this time. I don't know how that happened. Today we're in Arkansas. We are at Hawks Homes and we are touring this beautiful Franklin home called the Blue Jay. It's going to be very evident here in just a minute why it's called the Blue Jay, but we wanted to showcase this one because it has several features that we've never seen before. Again, we've not filmed too many of these Franklin homes, and this is just one that really caught our eye that we thought that you guys may like. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home for those that are curious, and this is a 32 by 70 for those wondering about the footprint. If we can, we're going to pop up a blueprint to the home right now. Hopefully we found one online. If so, you guys can take a look at that. But let's go ahead and start our tour right here in this beautiful living room. What do you think, Heath?
I love it. The first thing I noticed is that wood burning stove right over there.
We've never seen that. Never seen that in a mobile home.
No.
So there again,
It's
right
on a
here.
platform.
Yes.
Is that real? No.
No. But you know what? It's piped up like it's real. It may be that it's just set in here for looks for right now, and then that comes out, and then it becomes a real one. This wouldn't be plumbed in if it weren't meant to be used.
I wouldn't think so.
So this is an electric one that's here, so maybe it's electric vented, but still, it's a wood burning stove in a house. You've never seen that. Super cool. You do have the rock base down here that it's sitting on. You got room to. You could actually decorate this a little bit. So even if it is electric, you can put some nice birch wood around it and make it look like it's for real.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to worry about bringing firewood in and out if it is electric. To the side of the wood burning stove, though, you do have a beautiful area to set your TV. You have a rock base on it.
It's massive too.
It is, yeah, very big. There again, as long as you don't have a TV that's over 7 foot wide, you're probably gonna be all right. You do have USB, or man, what do I keep calling these USBs? You do have these HDMI ports built into the wall. There again, that makes it very easy when you're hooking your TV up and you're hanging it on the wall. Don't have to worry about having cables hanging down, going to your DVR, or going to your Roku, or going to your PlayStation, whatever you're running. You have multiple outlets here too, so you don't have to worry about having a power surge. A lot of times you only see a single plug in here, which means you can only plug one cable box and one TV in, and then you're out of outlets and you got to worry about hanging a power surger. So they thought far enough ahead that they went ahead and put 2 plugs in there. It may not seem like a big deal to a bunch, but me and Heath are kind of techies, so that's a big deal to us.
Big deal.
Do have a single can light above that too, so you can light
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, so
good access lighting there.
It'd be like heavenly lights down on the TV
for
football season. So, have you guys guessed why this home is called the Blue Jay yet? What do you think?
I don't know. I'm going to go out on a limb and say there's blue somewhere in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't quite see it yet.
This is the first home that we've toured that every cabinet is blue.
It is.
This is including in the bathrooms, guys. So this blue cabinet that you see, we'd love to hear what you guys think about it. I think we're on the fence. It's more of a modern style than what I'm used to, but I think a lot of people are going to love it because that modern look is what people seem to go towards nowadays.
I'm a very traditionalist usually. I like the wood grain, but I tell you, this is not lost on me either, though.
No. Well, it matches well with the backsplash that they've got in here at least.
Yeah.
I guess we'll go ahead and start though. We're going to talk about the huge island that's right here in the middle. This is a 2-tiered island, guys, so you've got to step up. On the other side, it steps down to your sink. Over here would be where you eat at. You would want some high top stools to be able to sit here and eat. You're not going to be able to sit in a regular chair, I can promise you that.
No, you're right.
You got room for 3 to be able to eat right here, maybe 4.
I think 4 would fit there.
So 4 may do it. If you look though, it is a marble style granite countertop, and keep in mind this is one of the Franklin homes that has that amazing 10-year limited structural warranty. If you look though, here's your sink on this side I was telling you guys about. I'm going to do the test for Heath today. It works, Heath.
That passed.
It is a double basin sink. Cabinets continue on this side. You want to do the honors of opening that door over there?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Real wood.
Oh, real wood. And I bet you, soft close. So soft I didn't push it hard enough.
Well, in all honesty, these homes aren't completely leveled yet. These homes
they're not.
They're just hitting the floor. All this stuff functions like it's supposed to once it's installed at your house. But right now, this thing's not even completely put together yet. So if you see there's holes in the walls and where the marriage walls are at, that's because we snuck in here really quick to get this before a whole lot.
They don't even have the power on here yet.
That's exactly right. If you look right here, though, you have a beautiful dishwasher to the side, right next to your sink. I know a lot of people have told me that they don't like it when the dishwasher is far from the sink. It's harder to get your dishes out. And, you gotta walk across, the kitchen to be able to put it or something. And
dripping stuff everywhere.
So that makes it very nice. On this side, though, we're going to take a look at that tile backsplash. Now, I told you that I thought that it went really well with blue. I still stand by that. I think that's a great contrast. And with that modern style cabinet and that modern style backsplash, comes a modern style hood.
Now, I like those modern hoods with that glass, that look right there. I really like that.
I wonder how hard that would be to keep clean. For anybody that's watching right now, let us know in the comments if you have one of these hoods, if it's hard to clean, if grease splatters up on
I would think it'd be easy because you can see it very easily.
I want
and
to
tell when it's clean.
Got one.
Yep.
Y'all let us know.
Drop it in the comment.
If you look across, though, your countertop has changed from the bar that's behind us to this gray colored over here to kind of match the backsplash. So your more whitish colored marble on this side is the grayish colored. You do have a nice big LG stove which matches the dishwasher, the refrigerator, and the microwave, which is behind Heath. And there's a lot of counter space in here. And I do like the built-in microwave. That's a nice added touch right here. Your cabinets are large enough that you can put as many dishes as you want to in there. They are deep enough to put your average size dinner plate. Oftentimes you'll see these cabinets now that are too shallow that when you put a dinner plate in there, your cabinet has to stay open a little bit because your dinner plate's too big. You're not going to run into that with this one. You do have big cabinets right above your microwave, and you can see the plug for your microwave right there. So if you ever did have to replace this, there is a built-in plug in here.
Oh, I like that.
It's not hardwired in or behind the microwave where it would be hard to access.
I like that.
Well, and that's also a big deal if you have a lightning storm or something. You know, you could go unplug it and not have to worry about frying your appliances, something like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice big French door style refrigerator. And I think that about covers the majority of the kitchen. You guys may have wanted to see more cabinets open. I'll show you the exterior or the interior of the bottom cabinet to give you an idea. Kind of more of the same though.
Yeah.
So
soft close also.
Yeah, these are soft close. Almost walked in the way of it. That's really nice, guys. My wife likes to give me a heart attack when she's doing dishes. She's probably mad because I'm not in there doing them. She just slams them. And I think, my goodness, I think somebody's wrecking a car out in front of her house every time she's in the kitchen. Miranda, hope you're not watching this. No, only kidding, guys. Nice big dining room to the side. And behind the dining area is a sliding glass door. A lot of these homes I've noticed are starting to come back with the sliding glass doors. There for a few years, they kind of went away. We weren't seeing them. And I think people have realized that it's just a very nice added accessory onto a home to be able to build a deck off of it, especially if you're grilling and right off the kitchen.
You don't have to worry about the door swinging out or swinging in.
So if we move past this dining room right here, which by the way, I didn't mention the light fixtures in the kitchen or in here. These are nice modern style light fixtures throughout too. And I forget, did we mention anything about the heating and air conditioning yet? If we did, it's in the ceiling.
No.
Another big deal for a lot of people. So as we move past that dining area, we are walking into the laundry room. And this is an interesting laundry room. It's kind of like a Jack and Jill style bathroom to this side that we'll go into in just a second, which will loop us back around towards where the living room is. But right here's where your dryer will be. This is going to be where your washer is. You do have a wood rack above it. Those nice blue cabinets continue in here. And you do have your rear exterior door. Right? Go ahead.
No, I was going to say, and you got a little bit of an area here where you got your panel. But I was going to say, you know, because it's got the door here and a storm door on the outside. But you could use this as a mudroom and still have access to the bathroom. I haven't seen that before or seen that in a home that I remember. And I like that.
Well,
I like that a lot.
Well, here's the other cool thing that we didn't really talk about is that sliding glass door is right on the other side of this door.
Yeah.
So when you build your deck, it's going to encompass the sliding glass door as well as this door that goes into your laundry room. So one deck would service both.
Yeah, absolutely. And this closet
right here is a closet to this side. This is going to be for your heat and air exchange. So you may think, well, there's no vent in the door. The vent is actually on the dining room side to be able to pull the airflow towards where the thermostat's located inside of the home. They did take the time to screw a piece of sheetrock on the back of these doors just to make them a little bit more noise compliant. It's going to keep it a lot quieter. Not that that's a loud air conditioner unit at all, but it's just going to make it where you can't hear it hardly at all. I guess what we'll do is we'll go ahead and let's go back around this way. Yeah, and that way we don't kind of ruin the surprise. But there again, like I said, here's that door right here. So you can imagine your deck wouldn't have to be 15 foot wide to encompass both doors.
No, you're right.
And with wood as expensive as it is nowadays, that's a big deal.
That's a big deal.
So the bathroom that you guys saw from the laundry room is actually right here. So here's the Jack and Jill. There again, we're here before the power's on. Yes, I flipped the switch just to make sure. But let's see if I can get you some natural lighting in here. So the Jack and Jill style bathroom, this is not your master bathroom, but it has 2 sinks at it.
Yeah.
So if you've got kids there again, you know, they may be fighting over who's brushing their teeth or complaining about one of them being in the way, getting ready for school in the morning. Well, that's going to cut the argument out right there. They can pick which one they want to be at, and that's their sink. So I am going to close the door, which is going to make it get dark for just a second. This has a lock on it, which is interesting on the exterior.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I noticed that. Don't lock me in here, Heath.
Okay.
So what's cool is you may think, well, if I've got a son and a daughter, they can't share sinks without shutting the doors. Well, they did make this with thinking about that. They put the shower and the bathtub in a separate room from the sinks, where they can actually shut the door and have privacy when they're doing their business in here, and their siblings can still use the sinks out there.
Man, that's pretty cool. I didn't expect to see a shower and tub in there.
Yeah, that's an interesting addition there. Again, I think they really thought that out.
Yeah.
Right here's going to be a closet, no wire racks. There again, it's dark in here though, so we're not going to spend a whole lot of time. But I did want to showcase that they had designed this home with a thought of siblings in mind. So as we walk down here, we told you guys that this is a 4-bedroom home. We're going to start to the left side. And this is going to be your very first bedroom. You're going to walk off of that hardwood style flooring, the laminate flooring, and walk onto a beautiful gray carpet. And if you take a look around, this is a decent sized room right here. You've got a nice closet, 0 wire racks. Every room does have a smoke detector inside of it. Anything you see that's damaged sheetrock wise, like on these walls that are not finished yet, keep in mind, like we said, this home's not leveled, it's not completely set up, it's not show ready. But they let us come in ahead of time, so big shout out to Hawks Homes, we appreciate that. Another big bedroom right here, guys. This one's a little bit bigger, I think, than the one that we were just in, laid out differently. It would be easier to put a bigger bed in this bedroom though, because of the size.
King size bed all day would go, and plenty of room on the side.
Right, the width of the room allows for that.
Yeah, absolutely.
You do have a big closet right here with a nice non-wire rack. I keep saying that. I'm not used to being able to say that there's no wire racks in homes. Franklin's kind of spoiling me a little bit. You can kind of make the turn right here. You got a little separate little jut out to the side, and then you walk into your last guest bedroom, and this is the biggest of the 3. So maybe the oldest kid gets this, maybe the siblings that need to share a room get this room. It just really depends, but this is the biggest room so far. Nice size room. Do have a closet in here with no wire racks. So I think you've seen all the guest bedrooms, the guest bathrooms, and living room, and the living space. So it's time to head over to the master side of the home and let you guys take a look over there.
And before we go in over there, be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. That's all we ask. These videos are free. Just hit the like button for us. Helps us out and helps us bring you guys more free content. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already as well.
So where your TV was, we're going to walk right between it and the refrigerator to get to the master bedroom. Walk directly in, and you've got a very, very big master bedroom. And this is definitely one of the highlights of the home to me is the bathroom that we're going to show you in just a second. They made it a focal point of not only the bathroom being to the side, but like of the whole bedroom. You can kind of look, there's going to be a huge doorway right there. They haven't finished it off yet. That focuses in on that bathroom, which is pretty neat. There again, with it being called the Blue Jay, the blue cabinets continue. And look at this closet, Heath. It's not overkill. A lot of these homes we see overkill on the closets.
Yeah, it's just too much, but this is just right.
Well,
it's bigger than I thought though.
It turns the corner.
Yeah, it does turn the corner.
But it's not one that you have to put an island in. He found one of those wooden racks. It's pretty solid, isn't it?
That's a solid wooden rack.
He found it right with his noggin.
Yeah, right with the back of my head, yeah. Absolutely. Let me say that's really solid.
So as we make our way into the master bathroom, the flooring changes. You've got that marble, almost like, it makes me feel like I'm Greek.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's like I'm in Greece, guys. I'm stepping back.
In one of the bathhouses or something.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not too far really out of Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Yeah.
The bathhouse is all that marble style.
Oh,
it
yeah.
kind of gives me that vibe.
Okay.
If you look though, you do have a double basin sink that you're greeted by as soon as you walk in. You've got room for 2 mirrors, your lighting above it. You do have a plug here for your curling irons, blow dryers, all the fun accessories that you may or may not need. My hair's thin enough now, I'm not sure that I'm going to need a blow dryer much longer. I'm going to start shaving my head soon, Heath. I don't know.
Yeah.
Y'all pray for me when this mop goes away. I don't have a pretty shaped head. It's because I've hit too many wood racks and closets. If you look though to this side, you got a beautiful bathtub. And this is a nice slope back bathtub. You do have a window to the side over here. You can see they've already got the blinds installed for those that are curious about privacy. This window does open up. I can imagine sitting in a very nice, serene setting. Maybe you got a private
fall evening.
Yeah, private night hearing an owl in the background drinking a glass of wine in here.
Yeah.
Hard to beat, right?
Hard to beat.
Now we thought that closet in there wasn't overkill, and you may wonder, well, you know, that's enough room, but I think I need just a little bit more.
A little more closet.
Just a little bit more.
Because you never know.
Good for you. This is a his and her scenario. What do you want? Do you want the closet that's in the bedroom, or do you want the walk-in closet that's in the bathroom?
Oh, and this one turns too. This is good size.
Absolutely.
I'm not going to walk in there and test that wooden shelf.
No, what I'm going to do though is I'm going to let you walk into this shower though and show them how amazing that is.
Oh yeah, and it's got the bench. Oh man, look at that. It's got 2 controls and 2 shower heads.
That's crazy.
And one of them's removable.
Well, I'll tell you what's even crazier. Have you ever heard of a master bedroom that had 3 closets?
No.
Well, you're about to see the 3rd.
Really?
Yeah, look. So like I said,
man, it does.
Just in case you don't have enough
So
closet
you
room.
didn't have to pick one of the closets
Yeah.
in the bathroom. You could have one, she could have one, and you could split the big one in right off the main part of the bedroom. And here's your toilet over here to the side.
I'm going to tell my daughter if we ever bought this home that closet in the master bedroom is where they keep the bad kids. I don't know. Only kidding, guys. But no, in all seriousness, though, this is the first home we've ever toured that had 3 walk-in closets within the master suite. That's definitely interesting. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. What do you think about that? Would you be able to use all that space? I don't know if I've got enough clothes. I honestly don't.
Tell you what.
If you look right here, though, you do have an area set up where you can have a vanity just for makeup. So you got the double vanity where you're brushing your teeth, you're doing your shaving to one side on this side over here across from where the bathtub is, though, and it is set up where you can make yourself all beautimous. Yes, we like to make up words here. So there again, this is a beautiful home here at Hawk Homes. It is called the Blue Jay. We do not have the pricing as we are filming right now. We're hoping to be able to add it in. Keep in mind, it is subject to change though. So if we add the pricing in, it is subject to change. If we don't get the pricing, feel free to give these guys a call. All their information is below in the description. They're going to give it to you, no hassle.
Yeah, the pricing's subject to change, like he said, and it's at time of filming, okay?
Yes.
And this is September 2024. 6 years from now, 5 years from now, price may have changed.
Yeah, it
Just
could have
saying.
went way, way up.
Yeah,
I mean,
so call them for most current pricing.
we didn't used to have to say this, guys. We've had to start adding this in since COVID. When
Yeah.
the prices went unreal and all that good stuff and the economy kind of tanked, well, prices were changing so frequently. We go into a lot and it may swing $25,000 from
Yeah,
week to week.
absolutely.
It was crazy.
Hey, and if you guys haven't shared this with your friends, share it with your spouse. If you're looking at home, share it to them, send it over to them, let them watch it while they're maybe on their lunch break, whatnot.
Yep.
And we've got another really good home to show them.
It's right over there.
Right after this one.
Let's go check
Going
it out.
right out here. Right over, you can't see it. It's just right around there.
Let's go check it out.
It's going to be up in the upper corner. You just click the upper corner of the video and go with us, see what's there.